We've all seen these fan heaters, right? Well, these ones we fit at my place can go on the wall, and they've got a little cord, a bit like a light switch. Anyway, that's the only difference between them. This one is going to go in style, hopefully. So go. If the trick does not work, the thermo fuse will be bypassed. But yeah, the reason why I've got it on a bit of metal is so I don't scorch my workbench. So I'll not be best pleased. Yes, the motor is going to be done, just keep your air on. Okay, it's a bit cool in here. Shall we turn the heating on? See if it does anything. Ooh. I see problem. Oh, is that it? That was rubbish. That was pants. Oh, that was shit. Oh, that's a shame. Now, this is where it's going to get a bit dangerous now. I've took the safety out of it. One shot thermo fuse is annoying. You should spook him. Looking bad for your health, man. Oh, she's going up there. Oh, is that it? There must be another fucking thermo. Yeah, bastard, there is. What's that? Damn it. What happens now? Toasty. What was he selling for weight? I'm a bit scared because I don't really want to burn the shed down, if I'm totally honest. It's wow, that's got up to some temp. Holy cow. And that's why you have safety fitted on these things. Holy shit. Bring the ladder back, the camera back a little bit. Wow. Jeez Louise. Oh, it stinks. Damn it. Nice. It's a bit burnt, don't you think? Let me try one more time. One more time, and then I'll gonna stop torturing it and I'll destroy it. Bearing in mind this is on 2 kilowatts, yeah? Kind of sounds like an engine, doesn't it? Just got a glow to glow plugs, you know. Oh, that should be alright. Okay, let's put the poor thing out of its misery. That's the quickest way to bypass safety. Oh, it stinks. Let me say thank you for your efforts and ciao for now. Now we'll take a step back and let the bolt cutters do all the work. Go bye bye. Oh yeah, got to be mindful of the motor. Oops. It's all stuck to the plastic of the motor. In the steel bin with you. Oh, I need to check if we're still in shot. Oh, yeah, we are. Nice and melted. I didn't think it would melt it though. Like it did. It's a case of removing 2 screws, and that is the end of that. It still spins. Shaft's a bit bent, but alright. And that is the end of that. God, look at the state of it. Probably stink the van out now. Oh well.